Okay, good morning to all. Am I audible? Yes, say anyone else? So, yeah. So today you just keep a paper and pen with you and try to solve the problem along with me. Okay. So you have to solve the problem, that is a multiplication by using the Booth's algorithm. Okay. So don't sit idle and okay, because along with the steps. Okay. So you have to solve. Okay, so in the last class we discussed about is my screen visible? Okay, no, I'm not sure. Okay, right now, no, I think it is visible. Okay, so in the Booth's algorithm, first the initialization is there, initialization of multiplicand value, multiplier value, and A register and Q minus 1. Multiplicand in B register, multiplier in Q register, accumulator set to 0, and Q minus 1 register set to 0. That is initialization. That is the first part of the algorithm. Which algorithm? Booth's algorithm. Booth's algorithm for signed multiplication. Okay. So after the initialization, we are comparing the Q0 bit and Q minus 1 bit. Okay, Q0 means where it comes, it is multiplier leftmost bit. Okay, and here we are assuming Q minus 1 initially as 0. Then there are four conditions are there. What are those four conditions? So here the four conditions. If the Q0 and Q minus 1, if it is 1 1 and 0 0, you are performing the arithmetic shift right operation of content of A, content of Q minus 1 to 1 bit position. Suppose if the Q0 and Q minus 1, if it is 0 1, you are performing a plus B operation, then you are performing shift operation. If it is 1 0, then you are performing A minus B, then right shift. Okay. So here Q0 and Q minus 1 both are 0, 1 1, 0 1, 1 0. So in these cases, okay, if both are same, you are required to perform only the shift operation, arithmetic shift of content of A, Q and Q minus 1, content of accumulator, content of Q register and content of Q minus 1 in this case. Okay, if 0 1, then here you have to perform A plus B, then arithmetic shift operation. Okay, and 1 0, A minus B, then shift operation. So that is the rule. Okay, and here we are considering in a negative number. Negative number means 2's complement of a number we are considering. In the last class we discussed. Okay, so this is a binary addition. Binary addition 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 1 0 and carry 1. Okay, so that is about addition. And for subtraction also, you have to, for negative number you have to take the 2's complement, then you perform the addition. Okay, पहला आपको 2's complement लेना पड़ेगा, then वो 2's complement जो that is your negative value, that you have to add with the other number. ये सब 2's complement है. Okay, now today we will perform signed multiplication of, okay, signed multiplication of plus 8 into plus 5. So 8 into 5 how much? 40. Okay, ये आपको आना चाहिए while performing the booths by with a booths algorithm. You know normally 8 into 5 means 40, but in this booths algorithm you should get that 40. Okay, so inputs. So this is multiplicand, multiplier. So here just carefully listen. Multiplicand. What is the multiplicand value? 8. Okay, so here it is a plus, it is called as signed multiplication. It is a signed multiplication. So sign means you just include your sign, plus or minus. Okay, so here 0 indicates what? Plus. So this is plus 8. And q is multiplier, right? What is the value? Plus 5. 0 क्या है ये? Plus. So it is 5 plus 5. Okay, then the 2's complement of b. 2's complement of b, actually ये b है ना, ये क्या होता है? हम initially we are taking the 2's complement. Why? Because in the algorithm, you know, like you have to perform the a plus b operation and a minus b operation. Okay, so when we are going to perform a plus b, when we are going to perform this a minus b, कब हम perform करते हैं? Okay, when we are going to perform a minus b, if the q naught and q minus 1, if the q naught and q minus 1, if it is 0 1, 0 1 रहा तो क्या है? a plus b. 1 0 रहा तो क्या है? a minus b, right? So that's why you have to follow the rules. Okay, you need to follow the rules is very important. So just erase this one. A plus b, a minus b, that's why in the initialization only you have to do multiplicand का जो भी value रहता है multiplicand, so that you just take a 2's complement of that value. So b means plus 8, so minus b means take the 2's complement of the b. So b का value कितना है? 0 1 0 0, इसका 1's complement लो, 1 0 1 1 1 प्लस 1 किया तो 2's complement 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1. So what is this value? This is called as 2's complement. Okay, 2's complement of the value. So in the initial first step में क्या करना है आपको? They are given, okay, they are given the what they are given? multiplicand क्या है? plus 8. q क्या है? multiplier plus 5. okay, initialization. तो इसका बाइनरी कितना हुआ? 0 for sign 1 0 0 0, 0 for the sign 1 0 1, right? उसके बाद क्या है? हमको इनिशियलाइजेशन माइनस बी का क्या हुआ? 2's complement कितना है? 1 1 0 0 0. minus b means what? That is minus 8 1 1 0 0 0. Any doubt here? ये इनिशियलाइजेशन हो गया. एंड और इनिशियलाइजेशन क्या था? accumulator and q minus 1. okay, that is also the initialization, no? okay, that is also the initialization. okay, so here one main important thing is that अभी ये b के बिट कितने हैं? how many bits are there? how many bits? 5 bits. okay, so 5 bits है तो the a also you have to take initialize to 5 bits, क्योंकि आप a plus b a minus b कर रहे हो ना, तो b 5 bits रहा तो a also it should be 5. okay, b 6 digit रहा तो a भी. क्यों? क्योंकि a plus b a minus b ऑपरेशन कर रहे हो आप, राइट? digit correct? okay, a plus b a minus b operation you are doing, so that's why b का वैल्यू कितना रहता है उतना ही रहना चाहिए. okay, digits. ये suppose b suppose 10 digits है, then accumulator also it should be 10 digit. okay, now this first part is completed. What is the first part? Initialization. The initialization part is completed now. okay, now okay, once the initialization is complete, the second point क्या है? Compare the q naught and q minus 1 bit. okay, compare करना पड़ेगा. which one? q naught and q minus 1. okay, then perform the as per the operation, whatever the operation, you know the rules. okay, now in this case, okay, in this case q naught, see here q, this q means this is q naught, q1, q2, q3. okay, so q naught value कितना हुआ? q naught value is how much? 1. q minus 1 कितना है? Initially 0, right? Initially 0, yes or no? q naught that I am taken from the here, and this you are assuming. okay, okay, q minus 1 initially it is 0, but q naught value क्या है? That is depend upon the multiplier bit. Am I right? Then उसके बाद, okay, see you have to write a table in this form. okay, you have to write a table in this form. okay, इसके लिए crop, measure, insert, snapshot. I will take this snapshot. okay, paste, good. okay, अभी क्या करना है? while solving, first step तो हो गया initialization. okay, first step initialization हो गया. Then next, okay, what you have to do? You have to write a table. okay, so table in this form. okay, like you are specifying the multiplicand value, b value. ये b value कहाँ है? हमने जो ऊपर से लिया था, ये जो है 01000 मल्टीप्लायर वैल्यू है, then minus b value 11100. okay, so here you have to write a table. table means कैसा? steps. okay, steps, then content of a, content of q, content of q minus 1, and just write it is like a comment operation. okay, तो आपको क्या रहना चाहिए? content of a, content of q, and content of q minus 1. okay, you have to write a table. that is the standard वो हार्डवेयर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन था ना बूथ एल्गोरिथम का. ये कैसे? ये एक दिस इज द एल्गोरिथम अक्यूमुलेटर. ओके, a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6 ऐसे we will store in this way. and this is q register, q0, q1, q2, q3, and here one single bit register, that is q minus 1. this is initially 0. okay, actually this is the as per the hardware implementation of the Booth's algorithm. okay, Booth's algorithm का जो ये था hardware implementation. okay, in this way we are solving, right? now so here ये तो फर्स्ट इनिशियल हो गया. इनिशियल आपको वैसे टेबल ये करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ इनिशियल करने के बाद, ओके, इनिशियल मींस क्या है? इनिशियल ऑपरेशन क्या है हमारा? लाइक कंटेंट ऑफ अक्यूमुलेटर तो इनिशियली 0 रहेगा. मल्टीप्लायर क्या है? मल्टीप्लायर मींस 5. 5 मींस व्हाट? 0 1 0 1, राइट? मल्टीप्लायर कितना है? हियर 0 1 0 1. ओके, yes, roll number 8, Nahina, are you there? Nahina?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Nine.
So this initial operation. So this initial operation, what is the value of accumulator?
0.
So how many bits are there?
5 bits.
So why you are taken 5 bits?
Because the bits of multiplicand are also 5.
Yes, yes. ये b क्योंकि हम a plus b a minus b operation कर रहे हैं, so that's why if multiplicand is 10 bits, then a also 10 bits. Okay.
10.
Okay. Then multiplier how many bits?
Multiplier 4 bits.
4 bits. Okay, so here multiplier is just one more point note down. If multiplier is 4 bits, then your count also 4 bits. Means you need to perform the 4 steps. When you have to stop after the 4th step. If suppose if it is a 10 bits, then 10 steps. Okay, that I will tell you. Okay, so initial हो गया. Once the initialization is completed, then you are required to compare. You are required to compare. So compare this bit. What is the Q naught value? Q naught value क्या है? नहीं ना. What is the Q naught value? 1. Then Q minus 1 क्या है value?
0.
So in as per the Booth's algorithm, what you have to do for 1 0, if this particular case, if it is 1 0,
Subtraction and then right shift.
yes, as per the algorithm, after the initialization, okay. So here our case now we are getting this one 1 0 1 0 we are getting, okay. So 1 0 we are getting. So here 1 0 1 0 means what is the operation? You have to perform the A is equal to A minus B operation. Okay. Then you have to perform the right shift. Okay. Then you have to perform the first. I will perform the. First, I will perform A minus B operation. So A is 0 already. So B का value कितना है? But यहाँ क्या है? Minus B is there. So minus B means value कितना है? Minus B means 1 1 000. Okay. So this is the value of minus B. Now A minus B is there. Now you perform the addition because already we are taking the negative value. Okay. तो आपको यहाँ क्या करना पड़ेगा? You perform a addition. Okay. Here A minus B, A का value है हमारे पास and it is similar like this. A plus minus B. तो आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? You are having A, you are having B. Okay. It is equivalent to this, no? A minus B. Okay. तो आपके पास A का वैल्यू है, B का नेगेटिव वैल्यू मीन्स 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू हैव टू कंसीडर एंड परफॉर्म द एडिशन. तो इसका एडिशन करो. 0 0 क्या होता है? 0 0 0 1 1. Now where it stores? It again stored in the accumulator only. Yeah, A minus B. So result कहाँ store होता है? In the accumulator only. So now A value will be same. And here this value keep as it is 0 1 0 1 as it is लिखो and 0 as it is लिखो. Okay. Now you are completed one step. क्या? A minus B operation आपने complete किया अभी. So now you are completed this one. Okay. A minus B store the result in A. Okay. Now what you have to do? Now A minus B के बाद क्या करना है आपको? Yes, नहीं ना. What you do after this operation? ये हो गया अभी.
Right shift.
You have to do the right shift. What right shift of? Right shift of A, Q and Q minus
Q minus 1.
1. Okay. So see here. एक बिट राइट शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो ये जो बिट है ये यहाँ आएगा. 0 है ना, यहाँ आएगा. ओके. एंड दिस विल कम हियर 0 1 0 और ये 1 है ना, यहाँ आएगा. ओके. एंड हियर ये 0 यहाँ आ रहा है तो ये जो है ये यहाँ आएगा एक पोजीशन और यहाँ क्या आएगा? एक वैकेंट रहेगा. दिस बिट विल बी वैकेंट. ओके. दिस बिट विल बी वैकेंट. सी मैंने क्या किया यहाँ? राइट शिफ्ट किया. कंटेंट ऑफ ए. ओके. कंटेंट ऑफ ए, कंटेंट ऑफ क्यू, कंटेंट ऑफ 0. 1 bit position I shifted to the right. Right. तो ये 0 यहाँ आ गया. Okay. And leftmost bit it is empty to maintain the sign of a number, okay, it is now empty. Okay, here this is the solution. Okay, minus b means your addition. Okay, then a minus b. Okay, this is the a minus b steps. You are performing the addition. Then this is the accumulator. Okay, ये you are keeping as it is. यहाँ जो value है वही value आप यहाँ रख रहे हो. Okay, now यहाँ आपने right shift किया. ये जो है ना right shift क्या किया, ये जो वैल्यू था ये यहाँ आ गया. ओके, और ये जो वैल्यू है यहाँ आ गया, तो ये खाली रहता है. तो वो जो खाली है, ओके, दैट यू हैव टू कीप द सेम नंबर. लाइक अभी हमारे केस में क्या है, अभी इन आवर केस लेफ्ट मोस्ट बिट इज साइन, नो. सो 1 रहा तो 1 ही लिखो, यहाँ 0 रहा तो 0, टू मेंटेन द साइन ऑफ ए नंबर. यहाँ 1 रहा तो 1 लिखो, 0 रहा तो 0 ही लिखो. Okay, to preserve the sign of a number. Is it clear? So this is called as step 1. Now step 1 is completed. So any doubt here? This is one step is. So how many steps करना है यहाँ? 4 steps. Why? Multiplier bit size कितना है? 4 bits. Now one step is completed. Yes. Any doubt here? If you have any doubt, you can ask now only, because it is definitely you have to solve one problem, okay, in your examination. And if you won't solve in this particular without following, अभी आपको तो पता ही है +8 +5 means 40 only, but you have to solve in this proper way. And this is easy, plus plus, but for the plus and minus, minus minus, in that time you will find a little bit confusion. Okay, so next is that, next क्या करना है आपको, you have to take this, compare q naught and q minus 1. q naught and q minus 1 again for next step you have to compare. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ आपका जो ये था algorithm, ये जो algorithm है here, तो ये आपने कंप्लीट किया. देन काउंट विल बी डिक्रीमेंट. अभी हमारे केस में ना मल्टीप्लायर काउंट कितना है, 4 स्टेप्स ना, 4 बिट है. तो नाउ 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, so still count is not equal to 0. No means again you are performing the same operation. What operation? q naught and q minus 1. Again you are comparing q naught and q minus 1. You are comparing the q naught and q minus 1. Okay, so here you are comparing the q naught and q minus 1. Okay, so in this case, yes, Nahina, are you there? Roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
So here 0 1 is there, no? Now what is the next step? If you compare q naught and q minus 1, 0 1 is there. What is the next step for 0 1?
A plus B.
Okay, good.
A plus B, and then right shift.
Then you have to perform the right shift. So a plus b, a is already there. A में जो value है, that is accumulator. Same value you have to take. Now b value क्या है? B is what? Multiplicand. That is plus b is there. So original value क्या है आपका? 0 1 000. Then a plus b. Then you perform the addition. Okay, here this is b value. Now you are performing a plus b. This is a value. Accumulator में जो है 0 0 1 0. Here you will get 1. Okay, carry आएगा 1 1 1 plus 1 0. And you have to discard the carry. ये जो carry आता है, that you discard. discard carry. Okay, you discard the carry. Right, now ये प्लस बी हो गया, you just keep as it is 0 0, ये जो q का वैल्यू है keep as it is, this as it is. Now you got your content of accumulator, content of q minus 1. एडिशन होने के बाद क्या करना है आपको? अगेन द राइट शिफ्ट ऑफ व्हाट? a q minus 1. तो टू मेंटेन द प्रिजर्व द सेम नंबर, साइन ऑफ ए नंबर, जीरो रहा तो जीरो ही रखो, एंड दिस विल कम हियर 0, और ये जो जीरो है यहाँ आएगा, ये जीरो यहाँ आएगा, तो यहाँ 0 1 0. ओके, ये जीरो यहाँ आ गया, तो ये जीरो कहाँ आता है? यहाँ 0 1. एम आई राइट? जस्ट चेक इट आउट. ओके, ये आपका अभी फाइनल सेकेंड स्टेप का हो गया. ओके, दिस इज फॉर द सेकेंड स्टेप. ओके, हियर दिस इज सेकेंड स्टेप. ये जो अभी हमने किया ये सेकेंड स्टेप हुआ. नेक्स्ट फॉर द थर्ड स्टेप. ओके, फॉर थर्ड स्टेप के लिए अगेन व्हाट टू डू? यू हैव टू कंपेयर क्या? क्यू नॉट एंड क्यू नॉट में क्या है? 1. क्यू नॉट इज 1, क्यू माइनस 1 इज 0. तो ऑपरेशन क्या है? अगेन ए माइनस बी. ओके, ए माइनस बी. तो ये में ऑलरेडी ये में क्या है? अकुमुलेटर में ऑलरेडी जो वैल्यू है वही है. ओके, दिस इज ऑलरेडी देयर. अभी हमको क्या चाहिए? बी का माइनस बी चाहिए ना. माइनस बी कितना है? व्हाट इज द माइनस बी? 11 000. ओके, दिस इज द माइनस बी वैल्यू. राइट, नाउ यू परफॉर्म द एडिशन. तो एडिशन क्या होगा? 0 1 0 1 1. now this is the a minus b ka value. Now it is a a minus b value, and this one is keep as it is. What is that? Q value. Okay, now this one. Now your this step is completed, a minus b. Okay, so after completing the a minus b, what to do? You have to perform the right shift. Right, now again you have to perform the right shift of what? A right shift of a q and q minus 1. तो टू मेंटेन द साइन ऑफ ए नंबर, 1 रहा तो 1, 0 रहा तो 0. अभी यहाँ हमारा केस में क्या है? 1 है, तो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग एज इट इज. और ये जो 1 है यहाँ आएगा, ये 0 यहाँ आएगा, और ये यहाँ आएगा. ओके, दिस वन विल कम हियर. ओके, नाउ आई होप इट इज क्लियर. अभी ये थर्ड स्टेप का रिजल्ट है मेरे पास. ओके, थर्ड स्टेप का रिजल्ट है. ओके, थर्ड स्टेप का भी हो गया. now our next step है, okay, because you have to complete 4 step, right? You have to complete the 4 step. Now for again for fourth step, okay, fourth step, again you have to compare what? q naught and q minus 1 value. Okay, तो q naught value क्या है? 0 1. तो 0 1 रहा तो क्या है? a plus b ऑपरेशन. राइट, a plus b ऑपरेशन. तो ये इज ऑलरेडी देयर. अकुमुलेटर में जो रिजल्ट है ये तो है. b का वैल्यू क्या है? 8 plus 8. ओके, दैट इज द b प्लस है यहाँ, तो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू लेना पड़ेगा 8. ओके, नाउ यू परफॉर्म द एडिशन. 0 सॉरी 1. नो, तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? 1 0 1 0 1 0. ये कैरी डिस्कार्ड इट, तो ये क्या हो गया? a प्लस बी, एंड दिस कीप एज इट इज. क्या? q का जो वैल्यू है यू कीप एज इट इज. ओके, नाउ दिस इज योर दिस पर्टिकुलर a प्लस बी हो ऑपरेशन. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? दिस इज योर a plus b means content of accumulator, content of q and q minus 1. ये कौन सा स्टेप का, और इसके बाद क्या करना है आपको, राइट शिफ्ट नो, देन ओनली इट कंप्लीट्स, राइट शिफ्ट। तो राइट शिफ्ट क्या है, ये तो वैल्यू ये हो गया, ये का वैल्यू है। टू मेंटेन द साइन ऑफ ए नंबर यू हैव टू कीप एज इट इज, एंड उसको सेम शिफ्ट करो यहाँ। तो यहाँ 0 1 0 और ये 1 यहाँ आएगा, 1 2 3, और ये 0 यहाँ आएगा। ओके, नाउ आई हैव टू स्टॉप, आई हैव टू स्टॉप द माय ऑल द स्टेप्स। क्यों, 4 स्टेप्स हो गए ना, all 4 steps are completed, right? 4 steps are completed. Okay, 4 steps are completed, and the final result, okay, your final result you will get here, okay, from the content of A and content of Q. Content of A and content of A क्या है, 0 0 0 1 0, okay, this is the content of A. Then content of Q क्या है, 1 0 0 0, okay. Now see here, सेम स्टेप्स, 3 स्टेप्स हो गया, 4 स्टेप्स, ओके। थर्ड स्टेप यहाँ 4 स्टेप, ओके, दिस इज फोर्थ स्टेप। Actually here more slides are there, as like in detail I have made a PPT this one. तो A and Q, तो ये जो A and Q, ओके, now A and Q, ये जो बाइनरी नंबर है इसका ये फाइंड आउट करो, डेसिमल। This is 0 into 2 raised to 0 0 0, anything with 0 0, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 means 8, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5 means what, 32, so anything with 0 only 0, तो कितना हुआ है 40। and what is the sign, साइन क्या है यहाँ, ये का साइन क्या है, यस नहीं ना, what is the sign of this ये,
Positive.
okay, what is the sign is positive, and this A value binary it is that you know like 40, all right. So 8 into 5 कितना है,
40.
आपका हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेंड एंड मल्टीप्लाई कितना था, +8 +5, so it is +40, so we got the correct result. So in this way you have to perform the 4 steps, आपको ऐसे 4 steps फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, ओके। यस, एनी डाउट हियर, अभी इसमें आपको क्या क्या याद रखना है, पहला तो मल्टीप्लिकेंड बी में डालते हो, मल्टीप्लायर क्यू में डालते हो, क्यू -1 इनिशियली 0, अकोमलेटर इनिशियली 0, साइज इट डिपेंड अपॉन क्या, मल्टीप्लिकेंड, क्योंकि यू आर परफॉर्मिंग ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी ऑपरेशंस, ओके। तो ये बी का सपोज 20 बिट रहा तो ए का भी 20 बिट, ओके। देन ये कितने स्टेप्स करना है, there are 4 steps are there, so these 4 steps depend on multiplier bit कितना है, in our case 4 bits, multiplier is 4 bit, then count also 4 bit, then you have to stop here, okay, you have to stop, and final result आप just is sometimes no with confusion आप क्या करते हो, यहाँ stop कर देते हो, ये लास्ट में राइट शिफ्ट नहीं करते, your as per the algorithm you have to follow the steps, ये प्लस बी ए माइनस बी करने के बाद आपको शिफ्ट करना ही है, okay, then you have to perform the right shift and then your steps will complete, देन कंटेंट ऑफ ए एंड कंटेंट ऑफ क्यू में आपका रिजल्ट रहेगा, ये कंटेंट एंड कंटेंट ऑफ क्यू, यू विल गेट योर फाइनल रिजल्ट, आपका जो फाइनल रिजल्ट मिलेगा यहाँ. Okay, you will get your final result from the A and Q. Okay, so what you do from, I think I have submitted one PYB.